Hey everybody, Andrew from Web Trends Weekly here, and I want to talk about the age-old question, is dropshipping on a budget possible? Well, a lot of the times you'll have a pretty large startup cost in a large portion of that startup cost in testing products will come from needing to hire contractors to write ad copy, to do video ads, to do product page copy, and maybe even product research as well. So you already have a somewhat of a substantial startup cost there, which can be over $100 per product. But I created Web Trends Weekly as an incredibly affordable way to essentially get all of that, and not just get it for one product, but to get it for multiple products every week at one low monthly cost. So instead of spending hundreds of dollars to test multiple products that may or may not work, you're only paying $19.99 a month. And if you go with our annual plan, it equates to about $12.50 per month. And I mean, that's technically less than $1 per product. And for the products, we give you multiple per week. So we'll give you the product, we'll give you an ad link of where we find it typically, if one's still available. We give you the competitor's information. We'll give you product sourcing through AliExpress and CJ Dropshipping. So you can just go directly to those and import them through Oberlo or whatever you use for your store. We give you information on the product sales directly from the source. So how much are they selling? What's the monthly revenue? We have a section completely ready to use for your own ads. We give you a Facebook video ad that you can use. We give you a thumbnail to use for that video ad, which actually helps with click-through rate and will ultimately lower your CPC. We give you product gifts for your product pages. We give you the niche interest targeting for your ads. We give you ad copy to use. You can pretty much just cut and paste this template and replace some things, like replace your product page with your landing page. We give you what the call to action button should say. We give you some headline variations, description variations. We have a for your store section here where you see we'll have complete product page copy. So what you would do is you would open up your Shopify store, or you would open up your store, your product landing page, and you could just cut and paste this directly into there. We have some things right here that say like insert GIF centered here, because that will just make the product page look that much better. And we provide those GIFs for you to choose from right up here. And again, this is optimized for mobile. So these are tested out in Shopify on a mobile platform, because the majority of your traffic is going to be through mobile channels. So you want to make sure your product page looks really good on mobile. So again, too, we offer that for multiple products every single week for $19.99 a month. If you go annual, it's about $12.50 a month, which is under $1 per product for all of this stuff on every product. And this is only the beginning, because we plan on adding a lot more to this in the future. For your ad section, for example, I would love to add more ad platforms in here, such as Google AdWords, probably stuff for TikTok, Snapchat, maybe Instagram specific ads. I also want to add influencer lists as well for every product. There's so much that we can do. And essentially, this is going to save you so much money on testing products in the long run that you're going to be able to take your savings and reinvest them into ad budget to test more products. Anyhow, thanks for watching. I hope you'll join us on this journey if this is something that you're interested in, because I plan on making this even better. I have a vision to give our subscribers an absolute insane amount of value for their dollar. And I'm really, really excited to make that happen. So if you're interested, there's a link in the description, and I hope to see you there.